Hi friends of the twins, welcome back to our channel.
Hi, it's me, Shonda here, and today I'm so excited. I finally get to show you what my finished laundry room looks like. I want you to stay tuned because I think you're gonna like it.
Hi friends of the twins, welcome back for another video. And if you're new to our channel, well over here, Shonda and we enjoy putting together tablescapes. We love everything home decor. We like to dibble and dabble in DIYs. And we are guilty, especially me, Rhonda, of decorating for each season. If it's something you're interested in, please subscribe.
Come on in. Well, welcome to my laundry room.
Now friends, we're gonna be honest, with Shonda's laundry room, she wanted to focus more on decor than duty. And we think with some key pieces of furniture that she's chosen for this space, she's been able to achieve just that. She's chosen to use her favorite color, blue, as the accent color in this room. And the wooden shelving that you see here on the wall is actually 3 pieces that came individually from Hobby Lobby, and she stained them herself. These wire baskets with the leather handles are a fave of Shonda's, and they were actually a gift from our baby sister Latoya. Latoya, where's my gift? We simply use tissue paper in the accompanying baskets. It gives her more the option to have things seen or not seen.
So we went into Hobby Lobby, and I told Rhonda to share with her the vision that I had for camouflaging this water heater, and we found the ceiling hooks, and I knew that I had a pair of curtains home that I wanted to use, and so we just took the ceiling hooks and placed them in the ceiling and cut some little openings in the top of the curtain and just draped them up. Back here also is where I hang my ironing board.
Yep. So it's convenient. It's right here when she needs it, but you know, ironing boards can tend to be bulky, so we kill 2 birds with 1 stone. We're hiding the water heater
and the ironing board. Over in this corner, of course, you see my clocks.
Oh, gotta have her clocks. If you haven't seen Shonda's clock collection video, please go and watch that video. You would not believe how many clocks she has. She loves clocks, and she does. She has a beautiful collection of clocks.
And this is one of my, both of them are, I purchased recently, but this is one of my newer ones, and I just love it with the pendulum.
Thrift store find.
Thrift store find. I paid $32 for it. This one I got at a thrift store, and I paid $12 for it. Okay. And I love it. Underneath my beautiful clocks, because I like every room in my house to be a place of comfort and cozy, I always take a minute and stop and just try to find a place and a space for me. There is nothing that feels better in the wintertime. When I come in to do the laundry, I close the door. The heat from the dryer makes this room feel so good, warm and so cozy. So as I was decorating and putting my vision together, I also thought about the laundry room being a place that was functional, but also a space for me. And so in this little corner, I have created a space for me.
Yep, just a sweet little nook.
A sweet little nook. When I come in here, I'm going to close the door this winter, and I'm going to let the air from the dryer warm me up.
And friends, things like this, when Shonda and I, we always like to leave you with the words, make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And this kind of thing is exactly what we mean.
This is
Just
what we mean.
Take the space that you've been given and make it
your own.
Yeah.
Make your house just be everything that you need. When I come home, it truly is a place of comfort for me. I read books, and I have a snack. Of course, you all know that I like to have a glass of wine. And so this is something that I would do in this, read a book while I'm getting my laundry done.
That's right.
I want to share with you, I want you to pay close attention. This is a sweet little picture of Rhonda and I when we were babies. So we were twin-sational babies. So this table, I want to make mention of this table. You're not going to believe it when I tell you about this great find. I found it on OfferUp, and it came in a set. There was another piece of furniture that came with it. And I loved it. It was exactly what I was looking for. I didn't want to use it in my laundry room as a folding table. I really want this room to just be beautiful when I come in. I don't want it to be cluttered with laundry, and if it is, you won't see it.
Right.
But here, this is my grandmother's Bible, and my grandmother passed away several years ago, and I was fortunate enough and blessed enough to be able to get her Bible, and it has her friends' phone numbers. Yeah, I know you have grandmothers that put everything in the Bible. They would put your birth certificate in there, a dollar bill for good luck and blessings and everything. But I was so happy.
Oh, tell them about her scripture, her verse.
Yeah, she has scriptures, verses that she's written in here: Exodus, Psalms, Isaiah, and the chapters and verses. And I was just so happy to get this. It's a worn, tattered Bible that, to me, that meant it was just put into great use. And when I found the Bible and was able to bring it home, I was just looking through it, and my grandmother had folded different pages, I guess, that she really liked, and she had used
Look
these.
at her bookmarks.
These were her bookmarks. Just old
coupon
coupon.
clippers.
I just left it just as she left it, and I'm just so happy to have it. This shelf actually was a shower caddy.
Yep.
And I was looking for something, because when I come in from work, being in the healthcare field, I have things in my pockets, and I needed something to put all of my things in, a little bit more space than the jar that I have designated for my husband. So this caddy, I like to shop my own house before I go out and purchase something else. But this caddy, I just brought it in, and it's my work caddy. When I come in, whatever's in my pocket, my name badge, my keys.
And Shonda does have a mud room, but I don't think you don't come in that door through the mud room.
Not all the time. Mm-mm.
Yeah, she comes this way, so it's most convenient for her
It's most convenient for me
to have something set up in the laundry room, because this is a room that she comes to first. Like, she's like me. We don't wear our work clothes
in
all
the
throughout
house.
the house.
Oh,
Shoes
no.
definitely don't even come in the house, but
No.
we like to come straight in and get out of the
and
work clothes. Okay, friends, of the two pieces that Shonda was able to buy, $75 for the both, this is the second TV cabinet, and she has turned it into her laundry station. And the good thing about it is, here on the inside, it is spacious enough for her to have a folding area. And also, the perfect thing about it is on the days that she does not want to be bothered with, the clutter of a laundry room, she can simply close it up and keep the room decorative and cute. Friends, thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with us in Shonda's laundry room today. Remember, make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Bye, friends.